Guys, they are ripping Jayda a new one. So you guys know Jayda has her own beauty brand, which is called Jayda Cheaves Beauty. And she dropped a lip combo kit like a month ago. It was like $60. She was facing a lot of backlash for that because a lot of people feel like you can get that same lip combo at the beauty supply store for way less. So now Jayda then dropped a lash kit for $70, and people feel the same way. They feel like the lashes are too thin, they're not thick enough, and for $70 you can go to Amazon, Shein, you can even go to TikTok shop and get it for like $10. So on Jayda's website, JaydaCheavesBeauty.com, it says a DIY lash kit with mirror, $70. Your new favorite lash routine has entered the chat. Enhance your natural beauty with our timeless airy lash set for elevated lash perfection, featuring everything you need for a flawlessly classic wispy lash look. So you get 8 to 10 18mm faux mink fiber lash clusters. You get a dual-sided lash bond plus seal. You get a curved isolation tweezers, lash remover, and a kit mirror. And a lot of people feel like the kit is $70 because she decided to add a mirror to it. But you guys go ahead and take a look at what people had to say about this.
I'm here to tell you, if you get that $70 lash kit, you're green as hell, and you're a pick me. Cause girl, you can get that for $10 on Amazon and on TikTok shop. And if you're gonna pay $70 plus shipping, plus handling, plus tax, really ends up to 80 something dollars. Girl, if you don't just go get you a full set, these celebrities have fucking lost it. And if you come on here saying like just trying to defend that period or buying it, baby, you're a pick me. You need to stop idolizing people because you're buying it for the name, which is Jayda. But still, that's weird because you should never idolize anybody but God. But no, for real, y'all pick me if y'all sit here trying to justify us not wanting to pay $70 for some thin classic lashes. Fuck out of here.
Jayda selling lash clusters for $70. Wispy lash clusters for $70 plus tax plus shipping. And then, like, when she got it on the model, they look like classics. Classic. Look, classic Jayda. What? If that's not a ripoff, I don't know what is. $70 for lash clusters when you can go on Amazon and go get some for 10 and go get some that's fuller. I don't know. Like when she did the lip combo thing, I was like, maybe the like it comes with a lip liner, the lip gloss. 2 lip glosses, a lip liner. That's a good $60, I think. That's not bad. But a lash kit for $70? Hey, slow down.
People in the comment section also gave their thoughts and opinions on this $70 lash kit. One person said, okay, not gonna lie, babe, for $70, it should come with a small lash fan to dry the lashes. Someone else said, I feel like I've seen this in TJ Maxx soon. $70 is what someone else said. Can we get an explanation for why it's $70? Aren't clusters supposed to be cheaper? And then this person said, is the mirror why it's $70? Because I think if you putting on clusters, you already have a mirror on Shein. This not even breaking over $7. There will be a dupe on Shein. And someone else said, girl, $70 US. So I don't wear lashes, but I would like to know you guys' thoughts and opinions on this down in the comment section below. Is $70 too high for these lashes, or is $70 a good price? Because I've seen a lot of people complaining about the price, but then I've seen a lot of people like, hey, if $70 too much for you, maybe you're just cheap and you're just broke. But hey, everybody ain't got $70 to be spending on lashes. But anyways, Jayda did give an explanation on why the lashes are $70. So you guys go ahead and take a listen.
Because they're made to my liking. I like to wear very natural, soft lashes. I don't like big lashes on me. I look crazy. So Of course, the first style, I wanted it to be something that I can wear and promote. I only stacked my lashes the other day because that was highly requested, but normally I don't do that just because I like to look like I just have on mascara when I'm wearing lashes. Me prefer, that's like what I prefer, and some girls out there prefer that as well. We will be offering more styles that have like different decurl, fluffier lashes, thicker lashes, more bold lashes. But for the first one, I just wanted it to be something that like I really could stand behind and say that I wear, because Jayda Cheaves beauty is based around the things that I like and the things that I wear on a day-to-day basis. So yeah.
You guys have it. That's Jada's explanation on why the lashes are $70. So like I said, I would like to know you guys' thoughts and opinions on this. Do you guys feel like the lashes are too expensive? Do you feel like the price is just right? Or do you feel like she's out here tripping and them lashes are too expensive and need to be a little bit cheaper? So like I said, let me know your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.
All right, y'all. I haven't made pancakes since I was like a kid. Like literally. I used to help my grandma make pancakes. I haven't made them in so long. So show me how to keep it younger. Don't know. Alright guys, let's see. I'm gonna put butter in the bottom of our pan. I'm using a skillet. I love y'all too. Y'all say my thing is too watery? That's what the box said add. You need to add more pancake mix. What if I add flour? Because I'm doing what the box said. 1 cup. Add more mix. Okay. You guys know more than me. Now, if they too thick, we're gonna have a problem. My heart, why you just say one word, one word, one word. It's still too watery. All right, well, we're gonna have to work with what we got at this point. What if I add flour? No, it's thick now. It's a lot thicker than it was. I'm stressed. Don't be stressed. Don't be stressed. We're gonna figure this out. That's good. I ain't fooling with y'all no more. All right, here we go.